Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something every working woman wants, a hairstyle that looks stylish, professional and easy to maintain. Yes, we are talking about the bob and pixie haircuts, two timeless styles that are perfect for busy women who want to look polished without spending hours in front of the mirror. Let's start with the bob haircut. The bob has been one of the most loved hairstyles and it's still going strong in 2025. It's elegant, classy and fits perfectly in both office and casual settings. A chin length bob looks smart and gives your face a fresh, confident look. If you prefer something a little longer, go for a long bob or lob. It's versatile and can be styled straight, wavy or slightly curled at the end. For women with fine hair, a layered bob works wonders. It adds volume and shape, making your hair look thicker and full of life. And the best part, you can style it in just a few minutes. Blow dry and go. Now let's talk about the pixie haircut. This is for the bold, confident woman who loves a modern and low maintenance style. The pixie cut is short, stylish and full of personality. You can keep it soft and feminine with longer layers on the top and make it eggy or sharp with shorter sides. It's super easy to manage, just a little styling cream or spray and you are ready to go. A textured pixie is especially trendy in 2025. It gives movement, volume and touch of modern flair. You can even pair it with side swept bangs to soften your look and make it more professional for the workplace. If you want something between a bob and a pixie, try the pixie cut, a mix of both styles. It's slightly longer than a pixie but shorter than a bob. This haircut gives you the best of both worlds, easy to manage like a pixie but stylish and feminine look a bob. Now let's talk about styling. Both bob and pixie haircuts can look different every day. You can part your hair to the side for a classic office look. These cuts also look great with suitable highlights. For working women, these hairstyles are perfect because they save time. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.